Hi guys, this video is just an update from a previous video on mounting the fork guard kit on the KTM 1090, 1190, 1290 adventure models. And so what I forgot to tell you in that kit, and I've seen guys on the internet posting pictures of their bikes, and the fork guard is tilted way forward like this, away from the fork. Doesn't look so great like that. And so the reason is I forgot to tell you in the previous video that there is another bolt hole in these things right here. And that's designed for a bolt to come through. You can see that hole right there. And so you can put a bolt right through here, and that pulls that guard back into position where it's supposed to be. And you know, that way it's parallel with the fork instead of being tilted out. So all you have to do is, before you mount this piece on your fork, mount it onto the guard itself with just these two bolts that come in the kit. Mount it onto the guard, and then this hole right here, you can just reach through there with an awl, a nail, whatever you have, and mark that hole. Just make a dimple in there. Then remove this piece and drill that out with a quarter inch drill bit. Then at that point you can put this piece on the fork, and then when you mount it up, you can put a bolt through here. Now the kits currently don't have this bolt in them. I'm going to talk to the vendor about that. We'll get that updated. But for all of you guys that have the kits now, you can just scrounge up a bolt. It's like a 6mm by 15mm bolt. You might want to put a little bit of a washer on it, but you can get those at the hardware store. I'm sorry that we overlooked that previously, but anyhow, that's the cure to making that stay straight up and down versus being tilted out like that. Doing this video by myself. I hope it comes out all right. Anyhow, that's all for now.